Welcome to my video on how to add SEO keywords in a WordPress website. And in a moment, I'm even going to show you where to get these keywords for SEO. So head over or Google Trends. This is taken straight from Google itself. And we will put in a search term or a topic that we are interested in adding to our website. And as you can see, it has good interest over time, which is a great sign. You will go to related queries and pick top. And if you can't find any good buying keywords with good popularity, you can always try to go for rising, which is new keywords that are trending right now. In our case, we see AeroPress versus pour over, a great buying keyword for someone deciding to either buy a pour over kettle or an AeroPress. So what we'll do is go with that, and we'll go to our testing website, which is all about coffee. And we will go to plugins and install a new plugin that will help with all of our SEO. And it's one of the top SEO plugins on WordPress. It's Yoast SEO. So search for Yoast and click install. Once that's done, click activate. And your plugin is installed. Now we can head over to the blog post and add a new blog post to our website. Here we will use the search term that we found from Google Trends, which is AeroPress versus pour over, and this will be our main title. So put that in, and below you will find the Yoast SEO plugin that we will use to optimize our post. So in the focus key phrase, put in the same term that we found on Google Trends. And your blog post will now be guided and optimized for this keyword. So we'll go to SEO analysis, and here you will get a lot of guidelines that you need to fix in order to rank optimally for this keyword. You can see meta description length. We need a text length that is a minimum of 300. So you can start by inserting your keyword in the first sentence that you write. You can add a title, for example, which is related to the keyword that you want to rank for, and you will get more guidelines. So all you do is follow Yoast's SEO guidelines, adding a meta description, images. So here, for example, we will fill in the meta description just to demonstrate with our keyword as close to the start as possible. We will also rename our blog post SEO title with our keywords first thing in mind, and then fill it out according to the green line. And as you can see, it's very easy to just follow the queries and the suggestions that this little plugin gives for you to rank optimally. And when you have gone through all of that, you can add a featured image to your blog post just to spice things up. You just don't want blank text. Click publish to publish your post and view your post. And here is our post, which is not optimally in text length, but this is just for demonstration purposes. But stay tuned, because in the next video, I will show you how to cache a WordPress website to make it fast, even on mobile. Stay tuned.